Hi, my name is Alex Jennings, and my role is to improve the performance of the contact center, focusing on the leadership direction. The concept of leadership does not have an international definition. However, it is certain the variety of theories developed over the past few decades. One of the definitions belongs to Hollander, 1978. According to him, leadership is a process to influence between a leader and those who are followers. Leadership needs some fundamental aspects. First, needs followers, influence, power, and a situation. Trait leadership, this theory, does not have a specific author. This theory notes that leadership is an innate characteristic, which means there are recognized traits in the leader. So a leader must be born with that category or ability. Therefore, if you are not born with that, then you can't be a leader. There are recognized traits in the leader, and if you do not have them, you cannot be a leader. These traits can be diverse. They can be personal traits, traits related to the form a leader leads with people, traits related to their knowledge, and physical traits. To me, leadership is related with the use of power to influence the behavior of others. A leader should seek communication with the followers and guide them with the goals of the organization when referring to leadership in the management sector. The leadership styles are theories and behaviors that a leader should have in relation to their subordinates. The leader should have varied leadership styles. However, the leadership style will depend on the characteristic of the group that is to be led. It is also important to recognize what the problem is with the company. In this case, high top retail, customer complaints and poor experience are on the rise due to the motivation and unskilled teams. In this case, I will adopt the coaching and affiliative styles because the first style, the leader, looks to keep the motivation on their collaborators, promotes to create an enjoyable work environment with a cooperation, trustful climate, and stimulates a positive future vision in the teamwork. Excelling the performance of everyone, the affiliative style will promote a better understanding and connection with help, with motivation and attitude performance. However, this style must be used in combination with the coaching style to avoid paternalism. This style, it is important to welcome the situation of the team, but it's also important to help the team achieve the company goals and new challenges. My plan of action as a leader would first try to understand the strengths of the employee, the activities and results as they present naturally normal the talents. Then highlight those talents and use that as a chance. The next step would be to find which are the developing points. It could be new behaviors or new knowledge that they need to adopt in their day-to-day, or eventually points that are not yet followed by expectations. After these two steps, we'll then elaborate the plan of action. I will then set up strategies to achieve goals closer to reality and give recognition to results showing that satisfactory results bring profit to the high top retail. However, part of that will be reversed in the whole group, either through employees to share responsibilities or benefits for the participants. Also, celebrate the success when the employees achieve the results that they are established to keep them motivated. The recognition from the organization makes the employee feel valued. To resolve any potential resistance, I would involve the team in the process. Resistance is what we look for in change. Therefore, I would involve the team in the change. One of the ways to do that would be to sit down with the team and think how to bring the team together. I would adjust a Belbin test with the aim to get more information about the team and to understand what we have in front of us. Other methods would be to do a workshop or a Myers-Briggs test. In conclusion, by being a leader that invests in the continuous improvement, that has discipline, charisma, respect, patience, and the most important, being able to influence the collaborators, I believe I can succeed in motivate and train the customer-centered teams and its leaders. It will stop the rise of customers' complaint and poor experience of high top retail.